Oleh demikian, Met Malaysia masih lagi mengekalkan amaran hujan lebat berterusan, peringkat bahaya, buruk dan juga waspada melibatkan kawasan berkenaan.
All loaded, ready to go. Yes, set. Takes around 1 hour, 6 minutes, 53 kilometers from Surabaya. To follow, where are we going now?
Last Exit Pangsun.
Yay! Ini dah Ayo, pack. Pasang semua tiang dulu.
God, thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joy, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day, it's a beautiful day, and thank you for this life. Sorry I complain, the ups and the downs is just a part of the game.
Our home is ready. Now we added a small dustbin, flexible. This is a new arrangement, using to the front. So our kitchen. We got a new drinking water bed. Here is a washing place, clean water, dining area, and resting area. Here, banner, kitchen, it's a side view. Now the tapak. This is the walkway to the river. All of the swim today. Langat overflow water. Our tapak got a basin here, and then drying right here. This tapak actually dah mati. You see, the branches here. Here is drying out. Secret toilet, got basket for toiletries, hanger. Very bright bathroom, very good. Outside here got basin too. Oh, siap pagi kita breakfast. Baiknya. Gafil nak pergi mana? Gafil dari tempat berak makcik, itu Gafil tu suami you you dah berapa bulan dah pregnant? Bila nak beranak ni mana suami you sekarang? Tadi dia dah jelompak kat sana dah. Entah nak cari amoy lain kot. Tak takut ke tu? Ada orang jual petai. Time for campsite review. Good morning. Breakfast. Oh, one night catch so much. Ooh. Gafil. Mana bini? Gafil? You lepak sini ya, Gafil? Okay, over here kat sini, you have to be alert not to terpaku underneath akar. Memang susah nak naik. Berpatang kena high. Dah berjam tu tak boleh nak angkat balik. So, tapak, we decided to drive in to RT here to look at all things. All packed and loaded, ready to go home. Bye bye, last exit. Here for dinner.
These memories will stay with me. Ooh.